Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. Today we're going to be checking out the suites at Hershey in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Hershey Suites is part of the Bluegreen Vacation Club. Here's a little brief look at the check-in area. Outside of that is where you'd find the outdoor pool. This resort is pretty small, but it's very close to Hersheypark. This was an extremely last-minute getaway. This place never comes up on Interval International. The property, like I said before, is very small and simple. I believe there was 3 buildings and the parking was underneath the buildings. I'm traveling with my husband Kelly today. I'm going to take you guys up when we checked in and give you a tour of the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa. I have personally never been to Hershey more than 2 days at a time, so I'm really excited to be spending a week here to get to know Hershey a lot better. Because it is a small resort, there's not that much inventory. So when I saw it, I grabbed it. And like 2 days later, we were there. And we got fire. That was a nice touch. It was like March, and it was pretty chilly in Pennsylvania. Hershey Suites Bluegreen is a timeshare vacation ownership, which explains the kitchen and all that, because it's like living at home. Timeshare life is more like not going to a hotel room. You're getting like the comforts of your own home. Some of the places I stay are bigger than my house, for real. It was in good shape, it had its little things like, it had this thing for soap, but there was no soap. It wasn't brand new. It wasn't all tiled. It was kind of like not super fancy, but it was clean and nice, and it was very spacious. Having a washer and dryer is totally gold. It comes equipped with pool towels too. I'm going to be showing you the indoor pool very shortly. Has a table and seating for 6. I think it sleeps 6 people as well. The living area was spacious, but it was also very cozy. The chairs were very comfortable. The TV could have been a little bit bigger. We were watching The Sopranos. I know it's like 30 years later, but we're finally watching this show that was on like so long ago. Here's a look at the 2nd bedroom and the view from the 2nd bedroom. That is a brewery next door, which I'm going to be taking you to a little later in the video to show you what's around this area. All updated for today's standard of living with the chargers and the laptops and the cell phones. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jennifer Sparks, and I do reviews and tours of hotels, timeshares, casinos, that kind of thing. So welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe. Other Hershey videos that I'm working on is where we ate while we were in Hershey. Also, we did a tour of the Hershey Lodge and the Hershey Hotel. So I'll be taking you through those 2 properties as well. We really did enjoy our 1-week stay. We're really kind of unfamiliar with Hershey, but it has this kind of Disney-esque kind of feel to it. It's an amusement park town. Everybody is so nice there. It's crazy. It's so welcoming. Do you own here at Bluegreen, or are you thinking of buying here? Or are you thinking of renting one or staying here? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always interested to see why people are watching my videos. This was a really nice big tub. We are now visiting the master bathroom and the master bedroom. This resort is seriously so close to Hersheypark. It's really right down the street. I'm going to show you later in the video, if you want to stay to the end, how close it is. Even closer is the brewery next door. It's really cool. It's a really nice brewery. And there's also outlets right next door that you can walk to. We're going to take a walk to the outlets a little later as well. But now we have to go explore the resort. Come on, Kelly, get up. He's a gem. I just drag him everywhere, the poor guy. We're going to go check out the gym first. The gym is really interesting. It looks like it may have been a couple hotel rooms that they renovated into a gym. It has a fireplace. Certainly an interesting touch for a gym. In this room over here, it looks like it could be like a yoga room or Pilates. I don't know, it was really comfortable. I really liked it. The windows in this gym overlook the indoor pool, so that's probably why they made it into something that was more public than someone's actual villa. That might be a weird view. We don't typically use the gym when we're away because we do so much walking. We're usually so tired at the end of the day. But I would have used this one. It kind of felt like a health club. It didn't feel very intimidating. It was just really cool. We could have watched The Sopranos right here instead. Also on the same floor, they had a game room, which was super fun. We had a blast in here. It was like air hockey and shuffleboard, and both places had their own bathrooms. I don't even realize how competitive I can be until you put me at an air hockey table. Game on. For more indoor sports, we're going to go check out the indoor pool. It wasn't very large or fancy, but the water was really warm and we really enjoyed it. Now we're gonna go explore a little more. We're gonna take you over to next door. We're gonna go check out the outlets and what kind of stores they have over there. The walk from Hershey Sweets Bluegreen is seriously only a couple minutes away. Only fault with these outlets, and they're like a lot of the other outlets, is it's outdoors. There was one day we tried to do this and I'm like, no, I can't do it. It was just too cold and too windy. It was making me angry. So this day was a little bit better. Stores that you could find here are stores that you'd find in the mall, and they also had higher end stores as well. See, that's Hersheypark. You can see the roller coaster in the background. Did we buy anything? Well, yes, we did. I got myself a really cool pair of Skechers sandals, and my husband got like 3 pairs of shoes. This is a great place to come for shoes. Now I'm going to take you guys for a ride. We're going to be going on the other side of Hershey Sweets. There's a brewery there. I think it's called Trogs Independent Brewery, or Throgs, or Throgs. I'm murdering this name, I know it. But this place is super cool. Like, I was really impressed. This is the first brewery that we are going to not drinking. We decided not to drink at all on this trip, not for really any reason besides just for the fact that, like, our bar bill is always more than our food bill. And we're like, this is getting out of hand. Let's try not drinking and saving so much money. Look at this place. So it's huge. It's like a mall. We got there for opening. I think it opened at 4 o'clock. And it's, March, and it was during the week, so it wasn't that busy, but I'm sure this place is jamming in the summer when everybody's visiting Hershey. So typically when we go to a brewery, we would get like flights of beer. So we're not doing that. So we're going to hit the snack bar. I'm telling you, we're probably going to gain weight actually not drinking. Here is a look at some of the menu offerings. Ordering was easier back then because right now I'm on keto and I can't have any carbs too. So no alcohol, no carbs. I mean, it's really a challenge going out to eat. I'm in Atlantic City right now eating egg salad in my room. We ordered a yummy pretzel with some dips and we survived. We managed to go to a brewery without drinking beer. That's a first for us. All right, we're at Hersheypark. I'm going to show you the ride. Right here, straight down. It's super easy. See the red roof up there? That's where we're going. That's where the hotel is. Just to give you an idea how close this is. Because if you're trying to figure out where you're going to stay in Hershey, this is a pretty easy thing. And that's what I'm here for. That's what my channel is about. Not only am I giving you a tour, I'm going to try to help you figure out where you want to stay when you go away. Is Hershey Sweets for you and your family and your group? Let me know in the comments below. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. Thank you so much for hanging with me. I hope this video was helpful. Get out there and enjoy your life. If you're thinking of going to Hershey, do it. It's awesome. Be good to yourself and be kind to others, and safe travels to you.